In today's video, I've got for you a very simple yoga exercise or yoga asana for you to lose your hip fat, thigh fat and leg fat. If you're looking to get slim and toned legs without any rigorous exercise, then this is just the perfect yoga exercise I've got for all of you. It is the most powerful yoga asana when it comes to strengthening and toning your leg muscles. Not just that, it also helps you lose the fat around your thighs, and it's so easy on the knees that it will also strengthen your knee muscles. Without having to jump or use any equipment, you can do this exercise anywhere, anytime and get slim and toned legs. Today's yoga exercise is for men and women alike. More so for women because lower body fat is commonly found in women more than in men. The reason could be hormones. But how do you know that lower body fat has started affecting your well-being? The first signs of heavy lower body start showing when the gap between your thighs starts to diminish. And then, of course, comes the big size clothes which you have to buy often. You might be a smaller size for your top, but for the lower, to fit into easily, you have to buy a big size, and that often looks bad. And even if you have to sit in a public transport or any chair, it becomes so difficult. Not just that, the chabra between your inner thighs is so uncomfortable and painful for many. Come to think of it, people with lower body fat are not able to walk or sit properly, which causes posture issues, which eventually will cause their spine to tilt in a certain manner and cause a lot of pain. That's why many people with lower body fat actually suffer from lower back pains. And it doesn't stop there. Having a lower heavy body will eventually put a lot of weight on your knees and therefore leading to weak knees and painful knees. Over a long period of time, there will come a time where you won't be able to take the strain and will end up sitting more often than not. So if you follow this very exercise which I'm going to teach you, it's a very special yoga exercise, very easy to perform, no jumping, no equipment needed, and you'll surely see good results in no time at all. So now let's begin this very yoga exercise which I've been telling you all about. It's called the Utkat Kon Asana, or the goddess pose for those who do not understand Hindi or Sanskrit. It is a beautiful pose which helps to strengthen your legs, hips and thigh muscles, and it also provides a lot of flexibility, which is so important in this day and age. So come to think of it, this exercise, if performed on a daily basis, will give you a lot of benefits, not just to lose the fat, but also to make you flexible and strengthen your leg muscles. So to perform this exercise, you're going to keep a wide stance, which is about 2 to 3 feet. You have to keep your feet apart. This is double the size of your shoulder width apart. Keep your spine absolutely straight from your occipital bone till your tailbone. And now we're going to tilt our legs slightly and we're bringing it to the 45 degrees angle. We have to tilt both, but for many of you out there, the 45-degree angle might be a little too much in the first try itself. So you can actually take it up to maybe 40 or 35 degrees. That's not a problem. The main part is that you have to try out this very exercise along with me. Now you have to inhale, take a deep breath, and while exhaling, you have to go down and spread your legs like in a squat position and try and stretch your legs slightly to the 45 degrees angle so you can feel a stretch right here. And the more you go down, the more stretch you're going to feel and the more better this exercise is for you. But there are going to be many who will not be able to do this exercise without any support. So you can actually use the back of a wall and perform this very yoga exercise at ease without any problem. Or if you wish, you can take the help of a chair. So I have a chair right here to demonstrate to all of you how you can perform this exercise easily with the help of a chair. So again, you're going to take a wide stance about 2 to 3 feet. Tilt your legs to about 45 degrees angle. Keep your spine straight but not stiff. There is a difference. And then you're going to inhale, take a deep breath. While exhaling, go down. Try to ease in by going sideways so you can open up this very area which is all tensed. Most of the time there is no such exercise which you do on a daily basis to use these very muscles. So there's a lot of stress built up over here. So now that you've understood with the help of a chair, now let me demonstrate without the chair. Why don't you also join me, and I'm sure throughout the process you'll definitely end up clearing out all your doubts and coming to know exactly where you were going wrong. So let's take a wide stance. Keep your spine straight. Tilt your legs to about 45 degrees angle. Inhale. Exhale, go down. You can hold your hands up in this position. This is the Namaskar position. Then you're going to inhale. Do it the second time. Inhale. Exhale. Again inhale. Let's do it the fourth time. Inhale again. Exhale when you go down. Very well done. Exhale. Again inhale. Let's do it the fourth time. Inhale again. Exhale when you go down. Very well done. I'm sure you enjoy doing this very yoga exercise alongside with me, also commonly known as the fiery angel, Devi Asana, goddess pose, or Utkat Kon Asana, or commonly known as the king of all, sumo squats. So this was one hell of a workout, very enjoyable, very effective exercise to lose your leg, hip and thigh fat. So if you have enjoyed watching this very video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, always remember to think wise and eat right, because that's the most important thing. You can never outrun a bad diet no matter how much exercise you do. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay wise. I'll see you soon with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.